Hey guys, it is Showcase Sunday again in support of our friends from the Bugis regions of Makassar and Sulawesi who launched a new book featuring Bugis Kerises recently. I would like to celebrate their achievement by sharing one of my personal collection from the Bugis Keris Diaspora. This example was added to my collection earlier this year. It has been restored from its tarnished and rusted condition, and its finer details are now revealed. This is a gorgeous 9-look Keris blade with Pamur. The Pamur name varies from region to region, so I will not discuss them here today. However, what is clear is that the formation style of the Pamur is adopting the Miring pattern technique, which suggests that the primary intention of this Keris is meant for protection. A 9-look Keris blade further suggests that this may have belonged to someone who represented a governing authority. Very minimalist ricikan details on the blade, featuring a kembang kacang, or from what is presented in the book, it is referred to as the cakar burung hantu, the owl's talon, and the duri pandan on the end tail of the cicak. I am interchangeably using Malay terms. The Bugis terms have been given in the book, and if you want to learn more, I encourage you to get the book. Fitted with a finely repoussé silver encasement featuring floral motif on the front and finely chiseled Lontara script on the edges at its rear. It also features a beautifully carved handle which, to my amazement, had the name of our Muslim god Allah carved multiple times on it. Definitely a one-of-a-kind specimen in my collection, and I can't say that I have come across any other similar examples all these years. I feel so fortunate that this example came as is and had not had any parts replaced during the restoration stage. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a great Sunday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.